Hey guys!
What are we doing? Wait, no, we're ready.
Alright, hey,
Good
it's
morning.
Mr. Strummelin.
This is Dan.
Alright, we're back in action trying to get our subtraction video in
We
today.
are in the beautiful sunrise.
Sunny rise. If you looked outside right now, it's actually raining and overcast, but in our video,
In our world.
it is sunny and bright and wonderful.
Our
Because
children,
math,
our children
brighten
it.
brighten our day.
Yes.
So the background is what they do to us.
Yes.
Yes. Great. Great.
Yes.
So we want to look at a little subtraction today. So we're going to just go simple here. So did you hear that? That's the thunder outside today.
Yeah.
So, ooh. Yeah. But anyway, sunny background. We're going to look at a little subtraction today, and we're going to talk about how we manipulate a problem like this. I know we're getting pretty good at this point, but maybe you need to see this to refresh yourself and use it later in the year, whatever may be the case. Let's show them what to do.
Got it.
All right, so here we go. So Mrs. Dantro, when we are subtracting...
Hold on, let me put my mic on.
Oh, that would help. Do we want to start in the ones, the tens, or the hundreds?
Well, you always want to start in the ones place.
In the ones place.
Yeah.
And what do we always ask ourselves in the ones place?
5 minus 6, can I do it?
Can I do it?
Big or bottom?
Better borrow.
So we go next door to the 0, but guess what, Mr. Strummel?
Yeah, what do I do?
There's nothing there.
There's nobody home.
Nope.
So where? Oh, is that the thing where I go the whole way?
To the end.
Okay, and what does my 8 become?
Well, you're taking 1 away from it.
Okay, so
taking 100 away from
my
it.
8 becomes a 7?
Which is really 700.
700,
Yep.
right? So I took 100 away.
Yes.
So 10 tens. Can I look at it that way? 10 tens
Yep.
or 1 100.
And you're going to drop it off next door.
Okay, so I'm going to take that 0.
Yes.
And he's going to become a...
10.
Okay, so I took 10 tens, and I added them to my tens place.
Got it.
Okay, cool. Now, I still have a problem over here in the ones.
Well, you're going to start over.
My 6 is bigger. Okay, so I need help still.
5 minus 6, you can't do it.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
So now when I go here to the tens, though,
They're home.
there's 10 tens.
Someone's home.
Yeah, so what can I do to that 10?
Well, you could steal 1.
Oh, okay.
And if
and
you
it
steal
becomes
one,
a
9.
9, okay. So my 10 tens become 9 tens.
Yeah.
And now I can go to my ones place and turn my 5 ones into 15 ones. So it's kind of like I put a 1 in front of it, or I do 10
And
plus 5.
now I think you're ready to subtract because all your numbers on the top are bigger.
And that's so important because if the number on bottom is bigger, you know you cannot do that. So how about we do one column at a time and we'll let the class yell out the answer.
Okay.
So we'll pause. Ready? Here we go. 15 minus 6 is? 9. Yes, that's correct. I know they said it. I know they said it.
They did.
Okay, let's go to the tens place. Ready? 9 minus 7 is? 2! Yeah, I know they said it. I know they did. Are they laughing right now?
Nope, they're not. They're sitting there
just
stone
staring,
cold.
staring
Yep.
at us. All right, in the hundreds place, 7 hundreds minus 2 hundreds is? You think they said it?
I can't hear them.
7 minus 2.
5!
5. Okay, good. And we get a difference. It's an answer to a subtraction problem of 529. Now, I know what you're going to say. Can I say it? Because you're proud of me with this.
I am proud of you.
I didn't used to be as good at doing this.
I'm proud.
This year,
of you.
everybody has been checking subtraction by adding. Right,
yes.
like this is an interactive
I
video
know.
today. So we're going to take, well, let me show them again. We're going to take our difference and then the guy in the middle. So we kind of work from the bottom up. And then our answer should be the top number, 805. I'm going to take 529 and add 276. Is there anything we need to think about or be careful when we do this?
Just double checking you're adding, making sure if you need to regroup that you're carrying
Make sure your
ones over.
places are lined up.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
Especially if it's a 2-digit number and a 3-digit number, your tens and your hundreds, they all have to be lined up.
Yeah.
So let's do the same thing again where everybody yells out the answer.
Okay.
Because today's interactive like that. Okay, here we go. Ready? 9 plus 6 is? 15. Good. Now we know this is not an addition video, so I'm not going to go over what happens or why, but we put our 5 ones down and our 110 up. Okay, now I always tell my kids, I don't know about you, when you're in the tens here, I start at the very top.
Can I say something quick?
Yeah.
Can I tell you what my class does?
Yeah, what do they do?
We circle this little guy over here.
Okay.
Boop, so that we don't forget to add him in. Because that's a very common
Because
mistake.
it's very easy to do 7 and 2 and then forget about that
You
one.
got it.
Okay, so let's just start at the top. 2 plus 1 is?
3.
3. And then 3 plus 7 is?
10.
10. Good. So we're going to do 10 again. So again, it's not an addition video, so I'm going to put my 0 down and my 10 tens up or my 100 up top. And then we do the same thing. You want to circle that
puppy
one
dog.
up there.
That's what I call it.
And then 1 plus 5 is?
6.
And 6 plus 2 is?
8. And Mr. Stremmel, look.
Yeah.
800. Move your finger.
Oh, sorry.
805 matches 805.
Perfect.
Mr. Stremmel.
So we know it's good.
What if it doesn't match?
We just
Yes,
change
please.
our numbers to make it work.
Yes, please.
Oh my gosh! Watch out!
Choo!
Oh, what happened?
Whoa.
Sneezing turned you into Catwoman? Oh my gosh. This just turned creepy. Alright, so anyway, if it doesn't match, you start over. Okay? Catwoman? You got that? So if this doesn't match, you would change your subtraction.
That means you did something wrong.
And go back and do it again. It's a pain, but you know you got it wrong, so you need to go back. I'm sure they got a lot out of these last 30 seconds here. All right, so again, Catwoman, Mr. Stremmel, signing off.